Hello everybody, it is the Sweet Channel, and it's Toby speaking for this video, and it's an evening where I should be doing some work, but this is way cooler, and I'd rather make this video in this guide for you guys today. Now I'll be honest, this is like my fourth time trying to record the video, so I'm kind of getting tired of hearing myself say the same things over and over again, but we're going to go along with it, because I really wanted to make this video to help you guys out, because making shirts on Roblox could be a big ordeal and very mind-boggling at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be making shirts like it's no tomorrow, and it's definitely a very, very fun, and gets your mind to be creative. So um, just a little warning, if you don't have Builders Club, everything I tell you in this video won't matter, because you can't upload your shirts to Roblox, or even wear them for that matter. So don't go through this whole process if it's not going to work out in that regard. So first, you're going to want to be on your Roblox profile. Go to the top tab and click Create. And you can scroll down on this left-hand side and click Shirts. Something that's really important if you're new to shirt creating is this little piece of text. If you have to use the template that they give you. That's literally the only way you can do it. So you're gonna click download it here and click save image as, and you can save it anywhere in your files. I'm going to name it shirt practice. Of course, there's 10 million other files called shirt practice because it's my fourth time recording the video. So shirt practice. There we go. Save. And next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have an idea in your mind, because it's definitely a good idea to plan before you start making your shirt. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to click use, or sorry, I'm jumping right in. You're going to need a photo editor to edit your shirt, and on the template, and you're going to need to paint on it, to put text on it if you want. And so an ideal photo editor, you don't have to use this one, you could use anyone, is Canva, and it's called canva.com, and you could get in for free. You could even use your Google account to sign up for it. So basically what you're going to want to do once you get here, if you're using Canva, you're going to click use custom dimensions, and you're going to enter in the custom dimensions 585 and 559. So 585 for the width, and then 559 for the height, if that's correct. Yeah, 559. Right. Okay, now make sure it's in pixels. You're going to click design, and you'll have this blank canvas in front of you. Now you're going to go to your uploads, and you're going to click upload your own images. And of course I have 2 million here because I've made many shirts before. I'm going to my this PC section and search up shirt practice. Shirt practice. There we go. You're going to open the image. Make sure you keep track of which one it is, because I don't know if you can reuse them or not. And you're going to wait for it to load. And click on it. And basically what you're going to need to do now is you're going to need to resize this image using these resizers on the corners. And you're going to need to resize it to fit the canvas exactly. So this may take a little bit of time. That's where Canva has its downfall. But you need to make sure every pixel in this process is correct. So if your hand accidentally slips and you and the width that is actually 586 instead of 585, that could be a huge problem, because computers are really exact in when you try and program and design things. So I'm going to pause the video, because last time I tried to do this, it took 10 minutes. So yeah, if you don't want to go through that with Canva, you can definitely feel free to use your own photo editor. This is just something I'm comfortable with. So yeah, I'll meet you back and a little while later. Hello everybody, I'm back, and that took a very long time to fine tune it, because computers are difficult. And so basically your next step, or here, let me explain how the template works. So this is very important. Listen up. So basically, where my cursor is now, you can even use this little Roblox character on the side, is showing you a the shirt, Roblox shirt on the character unfolded. So basically, it's showing you all of the sides. As you can see, this is for the shirt, the front side, the top side where your neck goes, the right and left side of your torso, and the bottom part in the back. And so right down here are your arms. So the right arm is shows you all four sides of the arm, including the top of it and the bottom of it, and same with the left arm. So basically, when you upload your shirt, all of the designs that you specifically placed on certain spots are going to be folded and onto your Roblox character. So, oh yeah, these little dotted lines are showing if you have the R15 model. It's showing you where like the cracks and the divots are going to be in the arm. All right, so let's get right into designing. So basically, the method I use is I put all my designs on first, and then you could add the color after, because if you add the color, it's going to be hard to see where you put your designs on the model, and you want it to be exact. So I'm going to go to subheading because I want to create text, and on Canva, it's really simple. Change the color, the font, anything. Let's change my font. Let's see what I want. Maybe I want, this is gonna take the longest time ever. Well, let's do some Chinese letters. Let's just go with, for the sake of time, where did I see that? Right here. However that's pronounced. Okay, so I'm gonna highlight it. Maybe I want to put my name on it, my Roblox username. Okay, and obviously I'm gonna want to resize this. Probably 18 would be. Okay, and maybe I want to put this on the front of my shirt. You can rotate it anywhere you want. Anyway. And there we go. So obviously it's going to take a long time to position stuff where you want it, for the first time at least. Maybe I want it right there. Or actually, I'm going to grab this and put this on my back. Might fit better. There we go. So let's say that's where I want it. And then it might look weird a little bit at first, but once you add the color and you see it all unfold, it's going to be great. So I have that tattooed to my back, and then I'm going to put our clan on the front of the shirt. So let's rotate this back around. Just for the sake of time, I'll do all of my shirt editing, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys how to add color, and then I'll show you how to upload it. So see you in a little bit. Okay, I finished all of my designs, and the Bandicam time limit is running out, so I'm going to try and rush this here. So basically, if you want to add color, go to Elements, go to Shapes. Of course, it's done differently on different photo editors. I'm going to go here, change it to purple. I don't need to do any different like depth things or change the sleeves or anything on my torso. So I'm basically going to cover the whole folding parts of my torso, and I'm going to click here and go to and there we go. And then I'm going to click on Arrange up here and send it backwards and backwards until I can see my designs. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the shirt. If I want the sleeves to be short sleeves, I'll take this right here and make sure you cover everything you want to cover. There you go. That looks perfect. Okay, so it might look weird at first, but it looks great now. And if you want to add transparency real quick, take a different color other than the shirt color you're wearing and cover up the arms with the transparency block right here. And I'll show you guys how to upload it